hours to go, so we're gonna answer some questions. Are you ready?
Yeah.
First question.
All the new viewers right now, we're doing a Q&A. Oh, I'm looking at our camera. I need to look at that camera. We're doing a Q&A right now, so ask away. Piss break, dude.
We're probably gonna swap drivers. Coda's awake.
Yeah. I'm still asleep.
Oh, dude. Those taillights are pretty faded, though. They almost look drunk. They're so faded. What's up, Andre?
You guys are so legit. You have like, see, if I had friends, I'd have somebody else record me or some shit like that.
I saw you have a YouTube channel.
Yeah.
We'll link that. Guys, go check out Andre's YouTube. The big boy. Look at this thing, dude.
What is this again? I don't even know what camera I have. I think it's an A6300, like the cliche YouTube. It's either that or a G7X or whatever.
Yeah.
People use. If that doesn't work, I'm just gonna go to Koyo or
And think about it real quick. And
So shaky compared to yours.
Oh, you have two different cameras. I was like,
he just started his YouTube.
basically everything I have ordered except for the OEM taillight, family comes with rear bumper, Pepsi, and I don't know, power wires.
So this thing has 300. We got an empty trailer, unfortunately. Super bummed, guys. But you never rush into buying things that cost $50,000. So we're gonna go buy a house right now.
So since Josh didn't buy the car, what's your first vlog gonna be about?
Me not buying a car.
Hey, I have fun driving this. First time driving 2-car trailer.
Hey, let me borrow that. I'll give it back, dude.
Good, alright. There you go.
I'll give it back. I promise. I just gotta do it in between my toes first.
I can't keep up with the
I know, the comments are too small. I didn't buy the R34, guys. We found another car. We drove 700 miles to pick up a car 10 minutes away from my house. So we're not going home empty-handed. It wasn't that much of a fail. We had a great time in here doing absolutely nothing. We did Q&As like 3 times. I'm beat. I just want to sleep. Running on like 3 hours of sleep.
This morning, like 2 hours
I
for
didn't
you.
drive at all. No, he drove at 2. He took over at 2, drove till 4, woke up at 7.
So I drove 3 total.
You drove 3 hours, so
Yeah.
you did great, bud. You did
Yeah.
great.
I drove the most.
Jordan did absolutely nothing. He hasn't moved in 16 hours. He's been sitting in that seat.
I'm just chilling over here.
Oh crap, we're gonna crash. $700 miles later, we have arrived to our destination. We're in Lake Elsinore right now, which is like 10 minutes from where I live, 15 minutes from where I live. So we basically just took a little detour. Very slight detour to Arizona, and then turned around and came back.
Exactly.
But at least we found a car. Let's go check it out. Is there anywhere I can park, dude? Where do I park, dude?
Beto.
Coda has 1 battery. I'm vlogging, Coda vlogging.
We went Arizona, all the way to Arizona to pick up car in Lake Elsinore.
That's what we did. The new.
The new R34.
I'm about to build a Coda car, man. Josh, nice to meet you. Oh yeah, everyone's probably wondering why I'm getting another 240. I just bought a 240. This is why. Dude, I miss my 1J. Do you want to sign this real quick? Well, I'm Juice. This is honestly one of the most well-built cars I've ever seen. Like, hands down. It was tuned by Avexi. It was wired up by Odie Boxers' like right-hand man. So I know everything was done right. I don't normally buy fixed-up cars. But I mean, for the simple fact, I didn't even buy that R34 because it was like a built motor and whatnot, but I didn't really know who messed with it. So I'm Juice. Thank you, Gustavo. He held it for me. I'm super juiced on it. I guess we can end it right here. I'm gonna pull this thing out of the trailer, get a good look at it.
Slow this.
I'll crank up. I'll crank up.
It's a good looking car, man.
I know. This might be one of those E-Out cars that never gets sold. I'm gonna keep it. Everyone's sad that Kona sold his 240, so I'm gonna make this one exactly the same. That's like 360 horsepower right now. It's like, this thing can easily push 450. Stock motor, just bolt-on. It's gonna be good fun. Koda's gonna paint match the kit probably within the next couple days. We got the rear valence. We're gonna do the 326 power wing on the rear.
Don't forget about Ganondorf.
Gotta put the Ganondors on. We're gonna do cookie tail lights. But besides that, the car's done, man. I don't really need to do much. So I'm gonna put some wheels on it. Make it low.
Drop real low.
And then bring it two-step.
You got AK-47 now. It doesn't fix the crack. It's just holding it together.
I know, but we have to sand it down, right?
It's not gonna make it flat or nothing.
I'm just gonna Bondo it, but we're not gonna paint it.
You gotta Bondo it too?
Yeah.
That's a lot of work.
It is? I thought it's easy.
to fix that, that would be like easy. Like